Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Chris here again. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my unique strategy in creating a winning Facebook ad for local businesses. So if you are a local business, this is something you should watch. So if you are a real estate broker, a dentist, a gym owner, a beauty salon owner, you are having a cleaning service, or you have any local service business, one thing we know is that you need clients, right? So you need clients to either book appointment with you or visit your shop or your office for you to work with them. Now, when you need clients, you need a system like Facebook where you can show your offer in front of the client so that these clients are going to patronize your service. So I'm going to be showing you the winning ad strategy I've been using both for myself and for the clients I work with. So we want to look at the campaign setup. When you go into the Facebook Ad Manager dashboard, you have the campaign setup. Once you click on the campaign, you just have to keep it very simple. You don't have to make it too complicated for yourself because Facebook is a learning machine and Facebook deals with data. So the first thing we want to look at is the campaign. And in the campaign level, we want to set it at the CBO. CBO simply means campaign budget optimization. So you want to put your budget, whatever budget you want to use in running the Facebook ad. You want to put that budget at the campaign level, not at the ad set level. So you select lead generation and then you select CBO, which is the campaign budget optimization. Now, in the ad set level, you are going to create two ad sets. One ad set with a broad target or broad audience, which means you're not going to be targeting anyone, but what you're going to be doing is you're going to be selecting the correct ages that matches the kind of service you are offering. So if the service requires that people must be 30 years and above to be able to patronize that service, then you select those ages. If it is 40 years and above, you select any age that matches with the kind of service you are offering. Then the second one is the interest-based targeting. So you want to target people based on an interest they have on the platform. So on the platform, Facebook actually know the behavior of people who are interacting with activities or things on the platform. So you can actually type, for example, for a beauty salon, maybe you type something about beauty. It means you are targeting people who love beauty. So Facebook is also going to show your ad to people who love beauty. And you also have to select the gender. Who are you targeting? Are you targeting men, or you are targeting women, or you are targeting both? So in some local service businesses, your service can actually work for men and women, which means both of the genders. So if you are a dentist, you can work with men and women. But if you are a beauty salon, most of the beauty salon work for women. So you select women for beauty salon, maybe dentists, gyms, and the rest, and select both or all. Now, you also have to select a specific geographic area you are targeting. So you cannot target the whole of your state or the whole of your country or your region. So you have to select a specific geographic area. Where does your ideal audience live? Type it in the geographic area where they are asking you to type the area you want to target. Type it there, and when you type it, add radius to it, because Facebook usually sets your default radius to 25 miles, and this depends on the area you selected. So let's say you select Accra, or you select Lagos, or whatever area you select. Facebook is going to set a default radius of 25 miles within that area. Now, if you are targeting an area where you want people who are closer to where your business is located to come, then it means you have to select a radius that is not too large or too far from your area. So 5 mile radius is good, 10 mile radius is good, 15 mile radius is good. All you have to do is, you can't know which one will work for you. You just have to test it to know which one is actually going to work for you. So select the radius. You cannot target the whole country because that is not going to work. Your business, even if you have branches in different states, different areas, then it means you have to select those specific areas if you have more than one branch, and select the radius you are targeting. Which people are you looking for? Which radius in which they are located? You just have to select the radius, and that's it. Now, when we move from the campaign and the asset level, we want to look at the next thing, which is the ad. Now, at the ad level, you are going to have two images at the ad level. Two images. You are going to be testing two images at the ad level with the ad copy. So you are going to be creating a very nice image that speaks to your ideal audience, or that is targeted towards the customer you want to speak to, so that once they see your ad on Facebook, they can get hooked, they can grab their attention, so that they click on your ad. So since you are having two ad sets, it means you are going to be having 4 images in total. So 2 images for the broad audience, 2 images for the audience-based targeting as well. And the reason why we are doing that is that we want to give as much data as possible to Facebook, for Facebook to let us know which of the ad set is a winning ad set, or which of the ad is going to help us be profitable. And once Facebook is a learning machine, Facebook is able to tell us quickly within few days which one we should put more money on, or where we should put our money, so that we can get profitable in the Facebook ad. Now, when you run or you set up your Facebook ad for the first time, don't try to be fidgeting with it. Don't try to be touching things from time to time or frequently, because Facebook is a learning machine and requires time to gather data on the platform. You just have to leave the ad to run continuously for 72 hours, at least 72 hours, which is 3 days. So it means when you set up the ad today, allow 72 hours to pass before you touch anything, so that at that time Facebook can use that time to gather data to see who is responding to which of your ad, and then you can know what to do next. Now, in terms of spending, someone may ask, how much budget should I have for the Facebook ad? If you want to get the data quickly, it is advisable to start with at least $10 a day per ad set, preferably. But if you don't have the budget at all, maybe $5 may be good. I'm not saying that is good, but it may be considered. But $10, $20 a day is quite good. And the more budget you have for the ad, the more data Facebook can accumulate quickly for you to know what to do next. And when you have less budget, or your budget is very, very low, it also takes time for Facebook to gather data. It takes longer. That is why you can be running ad for 3 days and you've not seen result, and you are afraid the money is just burning in the air like that, and you want to pause the ad, or you want to kill the ad. But that is not it. You just have to be patient for Facebook to do it. And because Facebook is upgrading day in, day out, with the AI system they are having now, it's making it very easy for Facebook to gather data and give you a report of what is going on the platform. So on the ad manager dashboard, you can see the metrics there, the number of people who have seen your ad, the impression. You can see the number of people who have clicked on it, the number of people who have taken a particular action that you want them to take, and those kind of data are going to inform you on what to do next. If you should stop the ad or you should continue running the ad, you will know from the data you get. So $10 a day is good for you to start. Now, as the ad is getting better and better after 72 hours, never stop testing new things. Never stop testing new things. Now, what I say never stop testing new things, what I mean is you always want to improve on your results to get a cheaper ad cost. And you always want to be profitable. So you can still be testing new images, you can still be testing new ad copies, and you can still be testing new audiences if possible, because you want to know which of these variables are going to give you the best result at the cheapest cost. That is the target, the best result at the cheapest cost. And the more you test, the more data you'll be able to get from Facebook to know how that can happen. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is the Facebook ad library. So the Facebook ad library is a place where you can see what your competitors are doing, the kind of ad your competitors are running, and it kind of gives you an idea of what you should also do as a business owner. So this is what I do for my client as part of the market research. Before I start any ad, sometimes I just go into the Facebook ad library to take inspiration. So I'm going to show you in a second, but this is what I do. I go there to see what other ad are our competitors running, what are the images they are using, what are the copies they are using, and all these things gives you an idea. So if you go there, don't copy and paste whatever they are doing, but use it as an inspiration to help you create your ad. So let me take you to the Facebook ad library. So this is how it looks like. So whatever country you are in, you just have to select your country here. So I'm in Ghana and I'm selecting Ghana. And when you come here, you select all ads, okay? And then over here, you're going to be typing whatever keyword you want to look for. So if you're in the gym space, maybe you're going to be typing gym. Or if you're in the um, beauty salon, or you're in the, let's say, other niches, you just have to type a keyword that is related to your industry or your niche. And then Facebook will populate a whole lot of data that is in their system for you to see. So over here, these are the ads that are currently running as at January 2024. So you can see the date here. This ad started in January 4th, which is just recently. January 4th, you can see the date, you can see the platforms on which this ad are running on. It is running on Facebook, it is running on Instagram, and it is also on the audience network. So these are the placements they are using. Now you can see the business page. You can also see the ad copy. This is the ad copy I'm talking about. The text at the top here. So the ad copy is giving us the offer, and then the ad is having this creative. So this is the creative. This is a video of what this business is offering. This is a dental clinic. This is a dental clinic, and they are running how many ads? They are running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are running about 6 ads at a go, all on 4th of January. So as I said earlier, they are testing different ad sets, they are testing different images. You can see that it is not all the same images. This image is different from this, and it's also different from this. And over here, they are using different images, and one here is a video. So they are testing these different things on the platform to see which one is going to be the best or the winning ad set. And once they are able to get the one that is the winning ad set, they can now scale it, or they can now spend more money there, because that is giving or bringing in more clients for them. And other ones that are not bringing in the client, they can turn it off and focus on scaling the one that is getting them more leads or more booked appointments. So that is how you do it. And when you scroll down, you can see other businesses, you can see other competitors, you can see other ones in the same niche, in the same dental industry. You can see that they are all having different ad copies. This is another one. When you scroll down, you see them. The more you scroll down, the more you see. So you can see all talking about dental patients or running out for dental patients. So you see them. So you can see the offer they are running. You can see over here 30% discount. Over here you can see 50% discount over here as well. So the more you scroll, the more information you get over here. And over here, you don't just have to come here and copy exactly what these people are doing. You just have to come here to give you inspiration about what you should also do, what offers are working in your market, so that you can have this information about what you should also do for your business. I hope this video is very helpful. Please kindly subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss future videos like this. And if you have any questions, kindly comment. I'll be there to read it and answer any comments or any questions you have. And see you in the next video.